Welcome to Shorthand Hangover. Allahabad High Court APS Series C exercise 13 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready? Start. There may be many good reasons for the authors of the Constitution giving separate treatment to gas and gas works. If one can surmise, it may be that as the industry of gas and gas works was confined to one or two states and was not of all India importance, it was carved out of entry 24 and given a separate entry as otherwise if a declaration by law was made by Parliament within the meaning of entry 7 or entry 52 of list 1. It would be taken out of the legislative power of states, be it as it may be. The express intention of the Constitution is to treat it in normal times as a state subject, and it is not in the province of this court to ascertain and scrutinize the reasons for doing so. It is suggested that this 53 interpretation would prevent Parliament to make law in respect of gas and gas works during war or other national emergency. Stop para. Apart from the relevancy of such a consideration, the apprehension has no justification, for under Article 249, Parliament is enabled to take up for legislation any matter which is specifically enumerated in List 2 whenever the Council of States resolves by two-thirds majority that such a legislation is necessary for expedient in the national interest. So too, under Article 250, Parliament can make laws with respect to any of the matters enumerated in the State List 2nd if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Article 252 authorizes the Parliament to legislate for two or more states if the houses of the legislatures of those states give their consent to the said course. Subject to such emergency or extraordinary powers, the entire industry of gas and gas works is within the exclusive legislative competence of a state. Stop para. It is therefore clear that the scheme of harmonious construction suggested on behalf of the state gives full and effective scope of operation for both the entries in their respective fields, while that suggested by learned counsel for the appellant deprives entry 25 of all its content and even makes it redundant. The former interpretation must therefore be accepted in preference to the latter. In this view, gas and gas works are within the exclusive field allotted to the states. Stop para. On this interpretation, the argument of the learned Attorney General that under Article 256 of the Constitution, the legislative power of a state is subject to that of Parliament ceases 54 to have any force, for the gas industry is outside the legislative field of Parliament and is within the exclusive field of the legislature of the state. We therefore hold that the Impugn Act was within the legislative competence of the West Bengal legislature and was therefore validly made. Stop para. During the course of hearing, it was brought to our notice that in view of several usury laws and debt relief laws in force in several states, private money lending has almost come to an end, and needy borrowers by and large depend on banking institutions for financial facilities. Several unhealthy practices having slowly penetrated into prevalence were pointed out. Banking is an organized institution, and most of the banks press into service long running documents wherein the borrowers fill in the blanks at times without caring to read what has been provided therein and bind themselves by the stipulations articulated by the best of legal brains. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others, press the bell icon for more updates. Join our Telegram group, paid group on Google Meet, where we are providing dictations to read out and to transcribe the passages.